Hello everybody, I hope everyone is doing well. Today, I am unboxing a brand new doll fresh out of the mailbox. I tore off my name and address here, so don't worry, your box will not be ripped like this. So let's open it up. I'm using my scissors in a very unsafe way, so everyone be careful. Oh, bubble wrap. Don't you love the sound of bubble wrap? Let's enjoy some ASMR for a second. Ooh, what is this? It looks like a shopping bag. So pretty. I wasn't expecting this. Oh, I love pretty shopping bags. As you can tell, this is a new doll I got from Pullip. Can any of you guess which doll I got this time? There are more papers here and some stickers. We'll look at those later because I want to see the doll right now. Ta-da! It's Yeolume Hatsune Miku! She's available on the Pullip website right now for $120 US. I have a link in the description if you want to go have a look. So this is my second Pullip doll. If any of you remember, my first Pullip doll was Bonnie and she was totes adorbs. Anyways, Yeolume Hatsune Miku is part of the Yeolume line, so she's a little different than a regular Pullip doll. I'll show you in a second. She is shorter than Bonnie. She also doesn't have the articulation points on the arms and legs, but they are bendy, so they still have lots of articulation. Her eyes can also move from side to side. And just look at that face, so cute! And her hair is so long, as expected with Hatsune Miku, of course, and super soft. It's a lovely blue-green color. You can't really see it because of my camera. Somebody please send me a new camera to review. Her hair is a little messy just out of the box, but a little bit of brushing will fix that. Her eyebrows match her hair. Must be her natural color. She has such pretty eyes and her eyelashes are so long and curly. I love it. She has a flawless complexion, but that is common among dolls. Her Hatsune Miku costume is perfect, right down to the tattoo on her arm. Her tie is sewn on to her outfit and has a very tiny elastic at the neck, so if you want to change her clothes, you have to be very careful. So let's put her accessories on. She comes with her 2 square hair clips and a headset. The hair clips are held on with these little fork things that are supposed to stick into her hair. But they won't stay. It seems like her hair is so soft and smooth that the clips keep sliding out. The headset stays on well though, and it looks very cute. What's also cute is she has stripes panties. I like it when dolls come with panties. Also, her shoes are so teeny tiny and cute. As for the other things that came in the box, you have lots of stickers, a little booklet talking about the different Pullip dolls, a postcard, and a couple of folders. So pretty. I would have loved this when I was going to school. There's also a paper craft box if you want to put it together. And there you have it. I'm really happy with this doll. Now Bonnie has a little sister to play with, and I have another Hatsune Miku to add to my collection. If you like Pullip dolls, visit the link in the description. What do you think of Yeolume Hatsune Miku? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.